Hi everybody, welcome to another Did You Know Thursday with me, Debbie from Stebbington Limited. Now, I'm going to show you a really cool function in Excel today called Flashfill, which sounds really cool as it is. So how many times do you have all your data in a spreadsheet in one cell looking like this, when you kind of need it to look like this? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go. Excel, how you want it to look. So this is the first name, this is the last name, the location and the age. Now Excel is really smart because all you need to do next is press CTRL-E and it will pull all of that information down. That's it. I love Excel. All the little functions. This one is super cool because it saves you so much time having to copy and paste from one cell and spreading it out into columns. But that's it from us this week. Have a great weekend. See you next week.